Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create first web project in Eclipse IDE and how to run it on server. So let's begin the video. So open your Eclipse IDE and go to File menu, go to New and select Dynamic Web Project. Give project name like I am giving project name employee. Keep it by default, give project name only employee and click on finish button. Now project is created, right? So double click on that and go to SRC, go to main and here you can see web app. Now I am going to create a new HTML file and I am going to give file name index.html. Now give here title employee, right? Now in body give h2, type h2, press Ctrl space bar, hit on enter. Now give employee information, employee information, right? Now when we will going to run this employee project, will be able to run this project on the server. Let's see. So select employee project, go to run as. Now you can see it's giving me option run on server, right? So let's run on the server. It's asking us server may need be restarted. Do you want to restart the server? Yes. Click on OK button. Now you can see it's giving employee information, right? Now select project, go to properties and go to project faces. Here we can see we have selected web module 6.0 and JDK 17. Apply and close. So that's all guys. It's working. If you see there is no run on server, then what you need to do? You just simply need to go on properties and select here web module 5.0 and your issue will be solved. Let's see. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.